Nkosi sikelele Africa, Nkosi sikelele, Nkosi sikelele South Africa, Nkosi sikelele South Africa. Someone, please give me this Phil Masinga moment. Ngiyakucela, someone, give me the Phil Masinga moment. But we need two, at least Phil Masinga moments, bafethu. I'm content in lineup. I'm content. Mahopa inkomo siyazi, but we know what he gives. We know how he plays under Upros. Morena for Unkota. I said I'm content. Undamani, I knew he was gonna come in for Umbogazi. Listen. This should have been almost the lineup, but yes, someone, Nkosi sikelele Africa.